Start with making a square with rounded corners. Maybe go in a curve from the bottom, curve back down, curve back down. Do the same movement, but on the inside. Leave enough room in here to fit your little doggy nose. Circle, and then another circle on the other side. Those will be the eyes. And a straight line across inside the circle. Then we're going to do a little half circle right underneath that line. All right, you're going to do a line that kind of sticks out from here and make like a flag. So do a triangle shape, and at the bottom of that, you're going to go down outward and connect it to the side. Do the same thing on the other side, make that flag, go from the bottom and connect it to the side. You can color in those little half circles you did before. Then the nose. Then you can add the little dots.